to acquire AWS or swap AWS using the Moonswap, the internal DEX on Moonfarm. So after depositing any token from ETH, Polygon or Binance chain from your wallet into the Moonfarm wallet, you are able to swap for AWS. As you can see in the Moonfarm wallet, you are able to deposit quite some tokens, which allows you to swap for AWS. So to use the Moonswap, it's very easy. Go to the Moonswap section, select the token of your liking to swap for AWS. Make sure to select AWS in here. Right now they have not added it yet, but AWS will be in here. Select the amount and swap. After swapping, it will show up in your wallet. It will appear here. And the next step will be to send out AWS and maybe ETH, depending if you already have ETH on the Polygon chain in your wallet. So in order to send out AWS, it's very easy. You hit withdraw, you copy paste your address, it automatically is selected on the Polygon network, select the amount, do your verification, hit submit, and it will send out your AWS to your Metamask wallet. After having the AWS in your wallet, you're ready to do some adding to the liquidity pool on Quickswap, as explained in a previous video.